When you put it around, make sure the sensor is underneath, okay? Underneath his chin. He wants to lick my face. Hello there. This is Grandma Hates Tech, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have you ever had your neighbor bang on your door and threaten you because your dog won't stop barking? Well, I have. So this is why I had to get myself a dog barking collar for my dog Achilles. First of all, I don't get a lot of comments or likes in my videos, so please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my dog bark and chase squirrels, then give me 2 thumbs up also. And leave a comment if you wish. And please subscribe and click that bell icon. It is free and lets you get notified when I release a new video. This is the dog barking collar. This collar has a unique sensor that will detect when your dog barks. It will eliminate any nuisance barking by giving your dog a static stimulation. It'll start with a light stimulation, and if he continues to bark, it will increase in intensity with each successive bark. I will show you. Achilles, come. Good boy. And sit. Okay, good boy. Now put it on. I'll stick under the chin. There, see, yeah. Okay. When you put it around, make sure the sensor is underneath his chin. Okay. Put your finger underneath the prong to make sure it's not too tight. You should check your dog's neck just to make sure he isn't getting a skin reaction from the prongs. And try to reposition the collar on your pet's neck every 1 to 2 hours if possible. Never let your dog sleep in this collar, or for that matter, any collar. All dogs should sleep naked. At night, you could just plug it into a USB port for charging. It takes about 5 hours. Bark collars can be used on dogs of all sizes. Even though Achilles isn't barking now, when he's outside, I still feel protected, because who would approach my house with this 200-pound dog? He's intimidating just to look at. Just an FYI, dogs typically like to bark when they see other dogs or squirrels, or even when they are just bored. I understand you can't entertain them all the time, so when he has time alone in the yard and he likes to bark, this dog barking collar could save you a lot of money in real estate fees by not having to move. So if you've ever had to yell at your dog because of his barking, or gotten into an altercation with your neighbor over your pet's barking, let me know in the comments of any stories you've had. I am also just looking at my YouTube channel, and I still don't have many subscribers. Would you please subscribe to my channel, as I really look forward to creating more videos for you? Don't go just yet. I have these other videos that I made just for you, so please check them out. Watching my videos and subscribing really helps me out. So please click on either of these videos which I have created just for you. I know you will like and enjoy them.